हेलो दोस्तों, आपका स्वागत है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल पे। आज मैं बात करने वाला हूँ इंटरव्यू को क्रैक करने के बारे में। एक्चुअली मैं उन कंपनियों को टारगेट करने वाला हूँ जो कंपनियाँ मोस्ट पॉपुलर हैं, जैसे गूगल, अमेज़ोन, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट, मॉर्गन स्टैनली, जेपी मॉर्गन एंड ऑल। Actually, this video is not a freshers, not a experience. This is polar combined for freshers to experience. If you like it, please subscribe my channel and please like my videos. And if you give 3000 likes over there, so I can make another. And please more and more subscribe for my channel, and even for more motivations video and for for informative videos, please subscribe my channel. Even devotionals videos will be there for for your mother, and because my channel is not for not for like your friends. Even your parents also enjoy my channel. Okay, so today I just gave you 4 tips for interview over there, which you can crack and to learn, and you give for 400% hike from your salary if you want. So please subscribe my channel if you want 400 to 800% hike from your salary. Even if you want to share my journey, so please write it on comment when I got 400 to 800% hike from my salary within a year. Okay, actually for Java development, actually I just talking in this channel for Java and Python only, because I have an experience of 4 years of IT industry within this technology with Java, Python and Spark and Azure. So I have just uploaded Azure video over there for Azure fundamental. If you need to learn more, so I make Azure 900 fundamentals video over there. So first you go to that video and check that video for my channel. I hope you like it most, because that is in Hindi and in English also. If you want this is in Hindi, so I just make for that. So for Java interview or any language interview, interviewer asks for you for OOPS concepts. Okay, so basically OOPS. 1 minute, I just adjust my camera over there. Yeah, for OOPS concept we have lots of things will be there inside that. Suppose first having class, second having object, third having encapsulation. Okay, fourth having abstraction, fifth having inheritance, and sixth having polymorphism. Okay, this is that 4 pillars of OOPS concept is encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance and polymorphism. So first is the class. Class is the blueprint of any object and consists of member functions and members variables over there. So that is this class over there. Okay, second one is this object. Basically object is that in creating their instance of this class and access their all the property through this object. Okay, through this object. And this object basically is you can create with their creation of in creation of their constructor, and we assigning their instance of their constructor. Okay, so that time you just create this. By default we have just create a default constructor, or you can say non parameterized constructor over there. Okay, second one is abstraction. Second one is encapsulation. Encapsulation is that binding of the data with the binding of the data within that format, like format, or in you can say encapsulation is that encapsulate the data like a capsule. Okay, the best example for encapsulation is for an class, because we just bind the member functions and member variables, all the things inside their class. Okay, so inside their class we just bind the data from them. Okay, and object we can call that data. Okay, so encapsulation is occurring within the class. Okay, we just encapsulated all the definition inside them. Okay, second one is actually encapsulation are of like we are just performing encapsulation from class encapsulation, function encapsulation, and variable encapsulation, you can say. Okay, so this is that encapsulation we have just performing. And second one is abstraction. Abstraction basically unnecessary hiding the data over there. And basically this hiding occur from there, or hiding that occur from there, you can say using abstract keyword. Because when we use that abstract keyword, so we cannot give that definition inside to them of their class. We just gave their definition outside of their class when we used over there that function. Okay, so that time abstraction will be occurring. And inheritance basically are of two type. First is inheritance is occurring from from extend and implement over there. So basically actually I just gave for this example for you for this. For inheritance, basically inheritance occurs like in day-to-day life. Okay, just shift from my topic thought. So you just seen that in day-to-day life we have so many things inside my and your area. So we have lots of things. So suppose we are going through that any trip from their parents or friends over there, so we can sharing with each other all the properties. Like suppose we are just going from a trip from a friend, so we are just sharing from both of them. So friend will be extendable with their friend. Okay, friend will be extendable with their friend. That is the real time problem occurring inside this. Okay, and for outside this we have implement over there, which is interface, which is implement with there. Suppose anything in our market, we just implement in our home. So that is implementation occurring with their interface. So basically what is interface here comes for their interface. So interface is that we have just performing interface with their interface keyword, and it's similar like class is performing by their class name, then class name will be provided, then inside this we are just providing member functions and member variable. But here is that changes is like for class replace with interface, and inside this member variables we have just assigned, but not giving that definition of their member function. Okay, so that is that in inheritance. Okay, what is the polymorphism? Polymorphism is another technique when we use a same name function into many forms. Okay, like main operation we can perform into a many form. Okay, so suppose basically this polymorphism is most important topic for a placement. So placement we just asked for this polymorphism. Even I just took so many candidate interviews, so that time lots of freshers and experience also, we have just facing this problem of polymorphism. So we cannot understand inside that what is that main thing inside that polymorphism. So basically polymorphism are occurring with runtime and compile time over there. So runtime polymorphism is also known as overriding, method overriding, and compile time polymorphism is also known as method overloading. So method overloading is the basically performing same name function within the class, and overriding is performing same name function like for two different classes, which is extendable in inheritance. Okay, so that is that OOPS concept, which is mostly asked with their interviews. And for this we have just asked inside that so many questions related with that. And the main part is this. Okay, so when you ask for that what is finally and finalize keyword, so basically second topic is second topic is what is when we use final. Okay, finally and finalize. Okay, second topic is okay, final is used for their member variables. Final is used for their function, and final is used for also class. So final is used for class, it cannot be inherited in nature. Okay, inheritance cannot be followed when we assign that final keyword to a class. Okay, and finally we have used for their, like when we place their important code which is executable whether the exception is created or not. Okay, so that time we have used that finally. And finalize when it will be used, suppose actually for real time problem in like we have just working from a corporate sector. So in industry sometimes we need their garbage value to locate their memory allocations over there. So that time we have used for their finalize over there. So finalize basically generated their garbage value over there. So that time we use finalize over there. Okay, it's deal with their garbage values. Okay, you just think about that. And mostly asked questions, so many questions will be there. Actually I have so many list, but this video if you like, so I have just gone with their 50 topics inside this interview tips over there. When you got your selection in so many uprated, highest rated companies over there, with a good salary package and good hike over there. If you like it, please subscribe my channel, please press bell icon, hit them, and even your family, also your mother and father also like my channel, because in my YouTube channel I have just placed puja, like puja Hindu rituals over there for like mahatamya pujas, vrats, so many things will be there inside that, so you have just looking over there. And for your practice, if you like, subscribe my channel and press bell icon, and please write it on their comment. Please give me another videos over there, how I crack that interview and how you get a 400% salary hike over there from your salary. So please subscribe my channel. I just gave lot of interview strip tips to hike your journey, hike your destination, and how to manage. Even I have also some videos for there. You have just manage your taxes also, manage your family also, and your burden also. So many videos will be came from next. If you want these videos, you just comment on my channel, and please bro, just make that. Please bro, if you want this in Hindi, so I have just make this Hindi, because I know from my India some people know Hindi, some people know English, but mostly we are know English over there, and also in UK, USA, America, England, Germany, lots of members will be there. It's actually for each and every person who just seen this video, I just tell you have just seen in that English videos to improve your English skills. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.